Hey there, science fans. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of mitosis. Mitosis is how cells, the building blocks of life, make more of themselves. It's happening inside you right now. Without mitosis, we wouldn't grow, heal, or even exist. It's how one tiny, fertilized egg can turn into a giant organism like a blue whale. That's a lot of cell division. Think of mitosis like making a copy of a very important instruction manual. Before a cell divides, it makes a perfect copy of all its DNA. DNA is like that instruction manual telling the cell how to do everything. So mitosis is essential for life. It ensures that every new cell gets a complete set of instructions. Pretty neat, right? Now let's break down mitosis into its different stages. It's like a well-choreographed dance in the cell. First, the DNA inside the cell, which is usually all spread out, coils up tightly into structures called chromosomes. Imagine taking a long piece of yarn and winding it around a spool. That's kind of what's happening here. Next, the membrane around the nucleus, the cell's control center, breaks down. It's like taking the walls down so the chromosomes can move around freely. Now the chromosomes line up right in the middle of the cell. They're getting ready for the big split. Here comes the big moment. Each chromosome splits in half, and the two halves move to opposite ends of the cell. It's like using scissors to cut the yarn on the spools in half. Finally, new nuclear membranes form around the two sets of chromosomes. The chromosomes uncoil and relax. We now have two nuclei, each with a complete set of DNA. Mitosis is almost complete, but we can't forget about cytokinesis. This is the final step where the cytoplasm, the jelly-like stuff inside the cell, divides. Imagine you've made two delicious sandwiches, but they're still stuck together. Cytokinesis is like using a knife to separate the sandwiches, creating two complete and separate meals. In animal cells, the cell membrane pinches inward, like a drawstring bag, until it separates the two new cells. In plant cells, a new cell wall is built down the middle. Now we have two identical daughter cells, each ready to carry out its own important jobs. So why is mitosis so important? Well, without it, we wouldn't be able to grow from a single cell into a complex organism. Mitosis is happening all the time, replacing old or damaged cells and allowing us to grow bigger and stronger. Think about when you get a cut on your skin. Mitosis helps to create new skin cells to heal the wound. Pretty amazing, right? Mitosis is also how some organisms reproduce asexually. For example, a starfish can regenerate an entire arm that's been cut off, thanks to the power of mitosis. So, the next time you look in the mirror, remember the incredible process of mitosis happening inside you every second of every day, ensuring that you can grow, heal, and thrive.